Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm gonna be guiding you through how to easily invite friends on BitMart. Inviting friends on BitMart is a great way to earn rewards while helping your friends explore one of the fastest growing cryptocurrency trading platform. First of all, open the BitMart mobile application on your device or go to bitmart.com on your web browser. Either way, log into your account using your credentials. On the main home screen of BitMart, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the top left corner, and then from the expanded menu, look for the Invite Friends button and tap on it. Now, on the next page, you'll see Referral ID and Referral link generated. You can copy the link by tapping on the referral link option, and after you do that, you will be able to copy your invite link. Now, tap on Invite Friends, select any friends you'd like to invite on BitMart. After making a selection, send the invite link to one of your friends, and you can do this via any social messaging platforms, emails, or SMS. Make sure that your friends register using your link or entering your code during sign up. You can also share your referral ID the same way. Tap on the referral ID copy button and share it with your friends. Once your friends sign up and meet the activity requirements such as completing their first trade, you will start receiving rewards. So that is how you can easily invite friends on BitMart. It is simple and rewarding when done correctly. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.